Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to type bold text on Facebook. For that you have to watch the full video. So let's get started. First you have to go to the Facebook and then click on your profile, and then if you want to post, then you have to write here, I want to write hi everyone. If you want to bold this whole text, then you have to select all and then copy, and then just paste it here. Paste in yatext.com, like here, yatext.com. After going there, then you have to search here like bold. So search it here, bold. After searching, here is bold. Then you have to paste your text, and here it is. Hi, how are you all doing? And then from here you can copy and then just paste it here. So, and your work is done, and then just delete previous one and then just post it. So that's it guys, that's how you can bold your text on Facebook. That's it for today. Thanks for watching this video, and hit the like, share and subscribe to this channel. Thank you guys.